slime. You can see all the ingredients right there. He doesn't need to be there. Phew. Okay. Now, first let's get our glue. And I think that this bowl is too tiny, but mini slime, the gigantic slime. Okay, I'll go back and get a bigger bowl. Okay, so I got this bigger, clear bowl. And it's also see-through, so you can see whatever's in it. Now, this glue is very hard to open, and I'm going to ask my cat fellow to open it. He's over there. You can't see him. I have no idea what he's doing. He's picking on the wall, and I'm going to go ask him now. Yowzers, could you go help me open this? Oh. It looks like that didn't work. He did not open this at all. Here, I'll pour some at your face. Did you open it? Okay, now it's finally open. Time to pour some in. I only eyeball it. And I'm not looking at it. What are those bubbles doing there? What? Okay, now enough with the weirdness. I forgot where the cap is. Wait, is it in here? Is that a cap? Oh, that's a cap. Yep, a cap. Okay, screwing that back on. Now for the activator. Some activator. Please don't tell me it's the same thing. And it is. I'm going to give Meowsers a second try. Meowsers, can you open that? It's called activator. He just sniffed it. Now I'm going to go ask him again. Meowsers, can you open this?
Yeah.
Meowsers is currently doing something with it, and I don't know what he's doing.
It's open, sweetie.
Okay, now it's open. Ew, it's getting all over my hands. Time to add a bit. There, don't add too much. Oh, I don't need that. That's a pesky cap. Add the better cap. Next to them, they're besties. Anyways, what should I name them? Okay, so I added these two. Wait, I think I might need a bit more activator. Why are these caps confusing? There, that's enough for one batch. Okay, let's mix it. Yes, these are instructions, but I don't need them because I've made them for 1 year. Yeah, get away. Okay, let's mix it. Dun, 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 dun. It's turning into slime. Clear slime. Okay, it just needs a bit more activator, but I want to make it a butter slime. And here's the clay. Why is everything in this universe hard to open? Can I pop it open? Nope. Oh, I did. See? It's oozing. It's hard. Really? Butter slime. my spoon. Well, it's okay. I don't care. Like, I don't really. Okay. When it gets ready, then I can mix it. Clay might be only the thing I need. It's just that clay's hard to mix in. That's the only reason I don't like it too much. Really? Making me stab? It's kind of working. I mean, yeah, it's kind of working. Why is it so hard? Can I go in with my hands? Okay, only my fingers. Okay, where do I put this? Aha, in baby bowl. Okay, so now I'm currently mixing it. Whoa. Now it's ready for the palms. And I'll keep on mixing it until it actually forms into slime. Whoa, it's hard. Okay, whatever, we have to keep on mixing. Got all over my wrist. It's okay, I just don't like it getting all over my wrist. Mixing only this piece of slime is like weird. Because I don't like mixing an only piece of slime. Time to keep on mixing this up. Took me really took me the wiggity the giggamy the megamy. I'm looking at him because he's most of us. If you were wondering what I was looking at this whole time, he's sniffing a table. He's on chairs. Why is he standing on chairs? Whoa, it's so chunky. Oh, sorry about that. Meowsers is currently startled. He's a cutie pie. So hard to mix. Meowsers, could you mix this slime for me? Meowsers. Okay, whatever. Meowsers isn't responding. No, it's dripping. Okay, now I have to get this stuff off of my hands soon enough. I'm kind of doing this. Kind of like helps the slime activate for some reason. Okay, kind of is not what I meant. It helps it not get onto your hands that much. Okay, whatever, I might be wrong. Activator, let's grab him. Okay, he's kind of hard to open. Okay, now Activator's sturdy. Okay, admit it, he's naughty. There, that should be enough for now. And I can't get the cat back on. There, he's good. Whoa, he's doing well. Now he's not sick. He just needs mixing. Whoa, stop getting on my hands. I just would ask for you to not get on my hands. stuck all over my hands. Okay, he's doing kind of well. You can see the changes are happening, but you can see the messiness happening. Okay, did that make any sense? Whoa. Wow. Wow, it's so good. Ugh. Messy. Now keep on mixing till the thing is ready. Sorry, it takes a while to mix. Still needs more activator. It's just not activating. Okay, so it's better, but it still doesn't have enough activator. No. Wah. Okay, whatever. So, one eternity later. It's still not ready. I don't think that I'm not mixing enough is the problem. I think that there's not enough activator is the problem. Now I have to get this gooey off my hands. This is the only strategy I can use right now. Okay. Here's what I mean, it kind of gets off. There's not so much on my hands, but it's still on my hands. There. Gooey. Oh no. Is that too much? No. Oh, where did it go? Okay, I have no idea where it went. It went somewhere mysterious in the forest. Okay. Now this part is actually working. Don't tell me it's gonna be rippy. Don't tell me. Oh, it feels kind of good. Hand exercise, massage. Whoa! Ah! Perfect. It's kind of sticky, but I could fix that. Dip. Mix. Don't tell me that was way too much. Wait, that piece of slime is probably all what I need. Is there a problem with the slime or is there a problem with me? No. The cap. Okay. Now I can screw the cap on. Now I don't need that bowl. That's just sticky filled with activator. Ew, get off. Okay. No, this cannot be happening. Okay, whatever. We'll watch that later. Okay, I probably have the worst luck in the world. Okay, so it's kind of working. Now, we did the main part. We made our slime. Finally. Now we have to get off my fingers. Okay, so now we finally made our slime. And now, mix it more. I don't know why I'm doing this. Now, another. Now it's finally not attracted. I think this slime is liking me. Crush liking me because it keeps on sticking to me. Ha ha, do you get that? Okay, whatever. That's not real. Oh my god. Wait, that looks so beautiful. And it feels really good. Feels really, really good. It's just a tiny, teeny tot bit sticky. I put a tiny bit in. Time to mix. I'll keep on mixing until it really becomes a nice slime. I mean, it is already a nice slime. It's just a tiny bit sticky. That's all that I'm trying to say. It's a tiny bit sticky. Okay, I think the slime's feelings are hurt. So, let's give it a little break. You're thinking, it will dry out. Yes, and I'm only going to let it dry out for a minute while I mix it. And I want this to have air bubbles in it. Sorry about that. Ooh. Okay, it's coming together. This is so good that if I brought an activator cap with the people who bought it, they'd probably love it. Let's give a theme for this slime. Okay, so are there any charms in this bucket? I don't think so. And I have axolotls. We just have to find them. That's the sadness. But I do have a slime kit, like in another slime kit, that has charms in it. So I could theme whatever's in there that matches white or whatever color I want it to be. Wait, you know what? Let's make a lavender slime. A peaceful slime. A very peaceful slime because I think that this texture would go with it. Peaceful meditating slime where somebody lives in it. Like maybe a few axolotls. Now, I'll keep on removing this from my slime. Why is it taking me almost 20 minutes to make one batch of perfectly made slime? There, it's taking me 20 minutes. Not good. Okay, this is probably the last dose of activator I need. And then we're done. Like, done with the activator. Oh. This is weird. It's keep on sticking to me, which I don't think is good. Okay, let's add the rest of the activator. I just pour it on the table. Now it's finally coming along. I'm clutching myself because it's activating, but I don't know if this is it. I've had enough of this naughty slime. It's hungry. It's too hungry, which is unhealthy. It's gonna explode. Ugh, I want to eat so much. So hard, so messy, so blah blah blah. No, 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 no. Okay, that is a really bad thing, but it's okay. Let me get even that back in. If I could, then that'd be great. Yeah. Okay. For now, let's just do a rainbow thing. Forget about the activator spill. Okay, I only added those few dots. And the whole hand wrapping full. Okay, red. Hard to open again. Why is everything in the universe messed up? Okay, I'm gonna ask Meowsers. Hey Meowsers. Could you open this? No, you sniffed it. Okay, Meowsers is doing his job. Hey, what's he doing? Why is that old man walking there? Why is he walking anyways? I thought that old man needed crutches, but whatever. Time to pour some. Instead, let's just do a strawberry theme. Oh, perfect. A lot of dye. Let's rub this. That's the perfect strawberry color. It's going to be pink. Oh, it's all over my hands. Mix. There's also some on the table, which is perfect. Let's name this Strawberry Village, where pink, cute, cuddly axolotls live. Wait, this is too pink. Now I have to remove all the gunk from my hands. Oh, no. That could not be happening. It's sticking to my hands again. Okay, whatever. We'll add add-ins later. And also, add-ins would make it a bit more perfect when slime is sticky. Because It makes it a bit activated, like that feeling, you know, because when you add too much accessories when the slime is perfect before, you know it's going to turn out horrible, right? Okay, moving on. I still have to do this right now. Okay, it needs more pink. Turn to red. Instead, I want it to be a very dark pink. My inspirational. Perfect. There. Oh. Let's only mix that, and then there's also more dye on the table. Pick it up, scoop, mix. Pick it up, scoop, mix. Whoa, look at that. Just needs a tiny bit more. Perfect. Wait, I just have a new idea. Let's make this the reddest red slime in the universe. So, in this case, we'll use everything red. This is pink, not red. Okay, let's get all this off my hands. Hands, save me. Okay, my hands just saved me, yay. Happy, happy, happy. Let's add some in that little hole. Okay. Oh, there's more. Okay, that's the whole dye. Hey, look at that. Oh, my hands are all red. So now, this is the pot of red, and I can spread it however I want, but only on one condition. I cannot leave any behind. So, whatever's in there, I have to add. There. Red, it's red. Whoa, my hands are red. Red pot worked. Wait, this is still pink. That's a bad sign. And when I flip it, it's very pink. Okay, forget about that. Or it could be the most strawberry themed slime because I think strawberry is better and really. So that'd be the better choice. Let's just do strawberry. Now my hands are completely getting dyed. Oh, the dye's coming off. Yay. No, I don't want you. You're not meant to be with me. Ugh, ew. Yes, green is in the strawberry, but nobody likes the green part. So I don't like the green part, and I don't add the green part. But if you wanted to see a picture of a strawberry, then sure, I could add it. Really, for a refrigerator? Refrigerator! Stop with all the coughing! Refrigerator's sick. Ignore him. Really, refrigerator? Hey, why is that old man walking by again? Hey, shoo! Get away, old man. Shoo! Nobody wants you here right now. Shoo! Nobody wants an old man. Like, here right now. Okay, ignore the old man. Old man is annoying. Okay, this is the perfect strawberry color. And you're thinking, is that too light? Is that too light? Well, To me, it's a bit darker than to you. But I think it's also very good to you. And I don't know why it looks different to me and to you. And I don't know if there's something wrong with my camera. Okay, ignore the camera. Okay. Well, you can't ignore the camera. Okay, ignore about the camera talking. Okay, sorry. Why is it so hard to keep on adding and adding and adding, adding? Wow. Perfect. Ooh, I have the perfect charm pack for this scene. And it's in here. Guess what it is? Wait, my hands are sticky. Thanks. Okay, you can skip this part. Yeah, you can skip it. It's boring. Boring, boring, boring. Okay. Now, slime is off my hands. We're gonna open that. Whoa. Wait, there's stars in here. Let's do pea like a strawberry. No, there's cherries. Cherry or strawberry? Let's just go for cherry theme. Instead, let's just make this a fruit themed slime. Healthy fruit themed slime. Okay, we got one charm. I have to go get the others. Whoa. Ignore that. That was embarrassing. Okay, so now I got this charm. I think it wanted to go on River Road. Whoa. I mean, it just wanted to go on an adventure. So yeah, adventure. I made up that so like River Road is like, it's a made up river road. So there's a river, and then Strawberry goes on the river road, and then she goes on a boat, and then she goes down the road. If there's water. Oh, that's the path to River Road. Oh yeah. Path to River Road is underground because there's moist underground. And moist is like the water. So he's trying to go underground to go get it. Okay, good. He's here in Slimeberry Avenue. Slimeberry Avenue is great. Ew, why did Donut come in here? This is fruit themed. Okay, let me go get something for a sec. Okay. So now I got back with my slime. Yeah. The charms dug in the slime. The charms were digging. It looks like they wanted to go there. Do you know what there means? And I will get Mr. Cherry. Cherry. Okay, got Mr. Cherry. Now they're at the top and they're barely visible. Wait. Good. Okay. Now it's still time to turn on. What? Perfect. it goes with this whole entire theme. I will add all these charms to the slime. Add all of them. Yeah, add all of them. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Mixing in without sticking. Okay, let's make this crunchy. Okay, so time to make it very crunchy. Add these pink floam beads. Let's go make. No. This was the perfect decoration to add the slime, and I want this to be really crunchy. So it's time to add all of it. Perfect. Whoa, that looks so satisfying. All those flow beads all around the slime. So ASMR, so satisfying. Whoa. Whatever you're hearing, there is old man and old woman. Ignore them. Hey, look at it. It looks really good. And it feels awesome too. I bet that nobody could copy this slime. Oh, hi boss. Yeah, she's our third cat. No, she's our fifth cat. Okay, good. You just found another mystery. We're a crazy cat family. Whoa. Old lady's coming. Oh, hi, old lady. Now, the lady's in the kitchen and making banging noises. See? This is perfect. Why is there a unicorn charm in there? Anyway, let's remove her. Why is there a unicorn charm? Instead, everybody's allowed. It's a magical world with a lot of random things in it. Ah! Okay, pretend that nothing happened. This got stuck to my hands. Oh, wait, I said the thing that happened. Oh, silly me. Keep on mixing. Abracadabra. Is there a young cat lady? Okay, I don't think there's one. There is a rainbow dots on the sky. That's why I'm looking up there. there's rainbow dots on our roof. Anyways, I wish that you could see them. And they're really cool, but also really weird. Yeah, no. They're just weird. Ignore this, because it's weird. Okay. Want to hear the best ASMR? I'm getting prepared for that. Okay, maybe that was not the best ASMR, but it's still ASMR, right? Old man and old lady are upstairs doing many things, and they're stomping the whole house down. They're crushing the whole house down. So that's just weird. Ignore them. Hey, they're coming downstairs and want to destroy us. Yay, we're gonna die. I don't think Donut likes this world. He's not excluded, but he doesn't want to go. Okay, perfect. A gigantic slime. Okay. There. Let's add it into this slime container. So hard to put it in and put it out. You don't do anything with it. Ah, that's hard. Hard, hard, hard. That looks like a Googa. Well, Googa, let's just close it. I can take all that. How do I put this in? Okay, whatever. Don't care about that. I'm getting a Ziploc. No, I can use the other containers. Okay, R.I.P. Star. Star has been destroyed. Anyways, we could just put her. She's not actually dead. She got sick. Big one. Grab.